Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and show you how you can easily log out of your YouTube account on your mobile device. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes under this video and write your comments. So let's get down to our topic, friends. And first of all, you're going to need to open the YouTube app. Then go to the U section. Then at the top, click on the gear. Now Account. And at the bottom, find Manage Accounts. So, friends, you'll be taken to a page where you'll see absolutely all of your Google accounts. And you can manage them. And you can log out of any of your Google accounts. So you will automatically log out of your YouTube. Yes, friends, let me tell you that you will not be able to log out just from the YouTube app. In order to log out of it, you need to log out of your Google account as well. If you do decide to do this, then I advise you to make sure you remember all your login information. Login, password, how you were signed in, the phone number to which your Google account is linked, and so on. So that when you decide to re-enter your Google account or the YouTube account that you sign out of, so that you can keep all the exact details and continue to use your Google account as before. And after you choose the email that is linked to YouTube to log out of, go to it and click Delete Account. Next, once again delete the account to confirm your action. Once you do this and when you try to open the YouTube app, you will have it completely blank and without recommendations. This is the way, friends, you will be able to log out of your YouTube account on your mobile device. Friends, I really hope this video helped you and was helpful. Please put your likes, write your comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you soon.